Hi guys, today I want to show you how to start to create a digital marketing product like this one on Auto App. Look this ebook for digital marketing. It's amazing. If you haven't want to start in your next business, when you are going to create it like this, you don't want to be someone to create it for you, or you spend a lot of money creating for just ebook. So look how it's amazing. This is the very professional ebook for your next video. Okay, how it's designed. In this way, you are going to create in Canva. So let's go to just check this one. How I did. Why did you start to just put this image here? See, everything so easy. Look, so you are going to design. There's a million of kind of ebook. We are going to from here using ebook. One, I think, because if I go back, you will get from the one not save it. So just go to right here, the book, and you will find many different kind of templates. And you are going to there's many free templates and also pro templates. But then you are going to create like this ebook and then in your business. So this is the kind of amazing website for website designers. You can go to do many things in this platform. So I hope you like this video and then we are going to create like for everything that how to draft then to create whatever you want. You change the color, whatever you want is here. You change every what you want. So you can change everything the way you want. Okay. So you're going to create it by free like the ebook and then you are going to download then go to your digital marketing platform. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and then see you in my next. Bye for now.